back up.
I was charging up the other day, though.
Drained though, man. I'm drained, man. I look like I'm drained.
Man, I guess it's worth it.
Catch me out Miami, shut the shit down. When I come back, motherfuckers ain't gonna be saying nothing. The road ain't gonna know nothing. They can have this local shit. Cartel. That's all they gonna know. Cartel this, cartel that. They can have this local shit. All that. Got smoke out here. Go get a pop, Joe. Get a pop. This time, not doing
Shit crazy. I ain't even gonna get in the house tonight. Out here. Fuck that shit.
So they ain't got no keys.
We out here, man.
Stay on my jump.
We live in the element.
Stay on my jump.
It ain't about that.
Man, you know who in there?
My cousin. My
I don't know him. He cool?
Man, that nigga, yeah, he a bad though.
Yeah, I ain't how we gonna smoke. I ain't like that shit.
He blow the low off.
He blow that down.
He got the Joe, he got the badge, he got the white shirt. He's
Chop shit out here.
Yeah, and now niggas do got them jumps. Please believe. With licenses and shit.
That's for use only. We ain't selling shit.
Yeah, we ain't
shit just for use.
Yeah, he got it down. We only put in the video. Y'all niggas put y'all, that ain't even y'all shit in the video out of here, man. That ain't even y'all shit, bro. We only put our shit in the video. We got you, though. Niggas know. They try to get, man. Guess what? We ain't stabbing nothing. We ain't stabbing nothing but cartel. If we fucking with it, it's in the cartel anyway. We ain't stabbing nothing but cartel. Like blood, we stays in the cartel.
Blue waters, palm trees.
I can't wait, man.
In my sleep.
I can't wait.
Cartel in my sleep.
Sleep, bro. I can't wait.
Did this local shit.
Man, he sleep. He woke up and I was asleep. He had to wake me up. Shit. And I was asleep, bro. Real, man. I'm a legend around here. I just don't brag. Brother told me don't brag, man. He holding the camera. He the biggest, baldest nigga I know. He'll never be on camera. Shout out to you, man. Oh, y'all, man. DCTV, man. So on DCTV, we ain't talking cable access. Bullshit, man. Cartel, Drama City TV.